Good morning, all of you. Yes, today we will discuss the electronic configuration of particular element. Just you see on the blackboard, just you observe on the blackboard the electronic configuration of different elements starting from hydrogen to calcium. Electronic configuration. First we have to know what is electronic configuration. You should also know the distribution of electrons in various cells. Just like the KLMNO, according to cells, according to Borberi scheme, maximum number of electron 2n square. First cell contain 2, second cell contain 8 electrons, third cell contains 18 electrons, fourth cell contain 32 electrons, and so on. So in this electronic configuration, you have to know the atomic number. First of all, atomic number, because atomic number is unique property of all the elements. All the physical and chemical properties depend upon the atomic number of that element. If we have to write the electronic configuration of any particular element, we have to know the atomic number. Atomic number is unique for any element, for any physical and chemical properties of particular element. All the physical and chemical properties of any element depend upon the atomic number of that element. So dear students, you have to remember atomic number. Now, just I explain, just I write the electronic configuration from hydrogen to calcium, 1 to 20. Yes, you see on the blackboard, hydrogen electronic configuration cell wise, hydrogen atomic number 1. Electronic configuration K cell 1, helium atomic number 2, cell wise the first cell 2 contains lithium atomic number 3, first cell contains 2 electrons, second cell contains 1 electrons. Similarly, beryllium 4, first cell contains 2 electrons, second cell contains 2 electrons. Boron, now to come boron, 5 atomic number, boron atomic number 5. So first contain 2 electrons, first cell contains 2 electrons, second cell contains 3 electrons. Carbon atomic number 6, first cell contains 2 electrons, second cell contains 4 electrons. Nitrogen, first cell contains 2 electrons, second cell contains 5 electrons. Oxygen, first cell contains 2 electrons, second cell contains 6 electrons. As you know, oxygen electronegative, having 2 electrons required to complete their octet. Oxygen required 2 electrons to complete their octet. they require 2 electrons. Therefore, oxygen develop negative charge. Similarly, fluorine, it is also electronegative. 9 atomic number. First cell contain 2 electrons, second cell contains 7 electrons. It is also known as halogen family, having number of valence electron 7 in outermost shell, regarded as considered as halogen family. Chlorine, fluorine, bromine, iodine, they are regarded as halogen family, known as halogen family. Neon, it is an inert gas, 10 atomic number. 2 first cell contains 2 electrons, second cell contains 8 electrons. Number of 8 electrons in outermost cell, that is inert. They are unreactive in nature. According to octet theory, you know, number of 8 electrons present in outermost cell, that is, the particular element is a stable, inert, no reactive, does not react. Sodium, atomic number 11. 2 first cell contain 2 electrons, second cell contain 8 electrons. Magnesium, atomic number 12. First cell contain 2 electrons, second cell contain 8 electrons, third cell contain 2 electrons. Aluminium, symbol Al, atomic number 13. Number of cell represent, first cell contain 2 electrons, second cell contain 8 electrons, and third cell contain 3 electrons. Now come to this point, silicon, Si, atomic number 14. 2 first cell contain 2 electrons, second cell contain 8 electrons, third cell contain 4 electrons. Now phosphorus, atomic number 15. First cell contain 2 electrons, second cell contain 8 electrons, third cell contain 5 electrons. Next, sulfur, first cell contain 2 electrons, second cell contain 8 electrons, third cell contains 6 electrons. Now chlorine, first cell contains 2 electrons, second cell contains 8 electrons, third cell contains 7 electrons. Chlorine, outer cell 7 electrons, so it requires 1 electron to complete their octet and become stable. They gain 1 electron. Loss or gain, loss of electron, gain of electron. The element which lost electron to develop positive charge, and the element which gain electrons develop negative charge. So sulfur have negative charge -2. Sulfur require 2 electrons to complete their octet. OCTT. Octet. Argon. Next, we will consider argon. Argon is inert gas. Atomic number is 18. Number of distribution of cell 288. Outer cell 8 electrons. According to octet theory, number of electrons 8 is stable. It does not react. It is stable. Next, potassium. Atomic number 19. Distribution of cell. First cell contain 2 electrons. Second cell contain 8 electrons. Third cell contain 8 electrons. And the last cell contain 1 electrons. Last cell contain 1 electrons. Now come to this point, calcium. Number of distribution of cell. First cell contain 2 electrons. Calcium atomic number 20. Number of distribution of cells in the first cell contain 2 electrons. Second cell 8 electrons. Third cell 8 electrons, and the last cell contains 2 electrons. So these are the electronic configuration of particular element 1 to 20 according to cell wise. According to cell wise. According to cell wise. So you remember all the students, 1 to 20, hydrogen to calcium, atomic number 1 to 20. You write down the electronic configuration cell wise of the particular element. These are as follows, already written on the blackboard. According to Borbori, maximum number of electrons 2n square. First cell contain 2, second 8, third 18, fourth 32, and the last cell 50, and so on.